Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred one Kashmiri youth in Shopian district. The youth was martyred by troops during a cordon and search operation in Kaprin area of the district. The operation was going on till last reports came in. Delhi court has granted bail to a Kashmiri youth illegally detained in a false case registered by India's notorious National Investigation Agency under the draconian law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. District and Sessions Judge Dharmesh Sharma granted bail to a 25-year-old Fayaz Ahmed Khan after NIA failed to file a charge sheet against him. He was arrested by the probe agency on 14th May in the territory in a false case. At least 3 people, including a woman and her daughter, were killed while 17 others were injured after 2 buses collided in Samba district of the Jammu region. The accident occurred on the Jammu-Pathankot highway due to overspeeding. The deceased were identified as Mangi Devi and her 14-year-old daughter Tanya and 58-year-old Kasturi Lal. Pakistan has urged India to reverse its illegal steps taken since 5th August 2019 and cease demographic engineering. The Indian human rights record has come under scrutiny during the ongoing 4th cycle of the Universal Periodic Review in the Human Rights Council, Geneva. Pakistan called upon India to demonstrate its commitment to international law by complying with Article 25 of the United Nations Charter and implementing UN resolutions on Kashmir. The Indian Central Bureau of Investigation has arrested 7 more persons involved in a police sub-inspector recruitment scam. CBI in a statement in Jammu said it has arrested 7 persons, including the head constable and constables of Central Reserve Police Force, assistant sub-inspector of police and private persons involved in the scam. Narendra Modi-led Hindutva government is aggressively pursuing Israel's Palestinian occupation model in occupied territory. The Modi regime's new domicile law for occupied territory is a reflection of Israeli settler colonial project, said a report released by KMS today. It added that the then Israeli Foreign Minister Shimon Peres, during his visit to India in 1993, has said that the only solution to the Kashmir dispute is to settle Indian Hindus there. India and Israel are unleashing similar types of brutalities on the people of both of the occupied regions to suppress their just cause of freedom.